to add link to TikTok without 1000 followers. Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's very easy. So if by the way, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. I'm trying here to provide you with solutions for problems you may have online. And now let's jump right into the videos. So what you need to do is to head over to TikTok. So probably you're on your home page right now, but you need to be on your profile. So tap on your profile right here, please. Profile, please tap on your profile, please. And here we need to go to our edit profile. Okay, so tap on edit profile. Because we don't have 1000 followers, you can easily here add your own website here. Just right here your own website, for instance google.com, and people you at least create some if you have a website, you at least add your website right here, and people, if you have a product or a service, something, people will simply copy or type the name of your website on the search bar, and they will still be able to look to find your website because simply you added your website in your description, and people are aware that you have a website. I know, I'm sorry, this is not maybe it's not what you want, but you can't add a bio without 1000 followers. But at least that's at least you have a way to create awareness that you have website, so you can so people can copy the website, people can access and see and access your website, right? So even though it's not what you want, I hope this video provides you with the solution and help you. If you did, drop a like and subscribe for more how. See you guys in the next video. Take care.